You finally get her number. You type out what you think is the perfect, polite message. You hit send, and then nothing. You are left on red. Here is a chilling psychological truth. Most men fail before the conversation even starts because they trigger a woman's threat and boredom receptors within the first 3 words. She doesn't see a potential friend or a confident guy. She sees another predictable notification. Welcome to Think Again. Today, I'm going to rewire your brain and show you how to master the art of texting an unknown woman in exactly 3 minutes. Step 1. The pattern interrupt. Rule number 1. Never start with hi, hey, or a compliment about her looks. It is mathematically the lowest converting text you can send. Why? Because female psychology is wired to filter out the ordinary. You need a pattern interrupt. A pattern interrupt breaks her automatic habit of ignoring messages. Start with an assumption or a playful challenge based on her profile or where you met. Example, I was gonna say hi, but you look like someone who argues about which pizza topping is the best. This does 2 things. It sparks curiosity and it forces her to qualify herself. She won't just reply, she'll want to reply to prove you wrong or right. Step 2, the trust anchor. Now she's replying, but how do you make her feel safe? How do you show you genuinely just want to connect without looking desperate? The secret is the takeaway technique. Desperate guys text constantly. Confident men have boundaries. To build genuine trust, you have to show her that your world doesn't revolve around her inbox. Text her a high-value observation, have a quick banter, and then you be the one to end the conversation first. Text, anyway, I gotta get back to work, my workout, let's debate this later. Psychologically, this signals that you are safe. You aren't lingering, waiting for her approval. You are a man with a purpose, which is the most attractive trait you can project through a screen. Step 3, attractive behavior and texting confidence. Confidence in texting isn't about what you say, it's about how much you say. Look at your screen. Are your text bubbles 3 times larger than hers? If yes, you are losing. Match her investment. If she takes an hour to reply, do not reply in 30 seconds. If she sends 3 words, do not send a paragraph. This isn't playing games, it's social mirroring. It subconsciously communicates that you value your own time. Furthermore, never use text to confess feelings or have deep emotional arguments. Texting is for building intrigue and setting up real-life meetups. Keep it light, keep it mysterious, and keep it fun. Let's recap your 3-minute mastery. Use a pattern interrupt to bypass her mental spam filter. Be the first to leave the conversation to build trust and show non-neediness. Match her texting investment to project high-value confidence. When you stop texting to get her approval and start texting to simply amuse yourself and share good energy, the dynamic completely flips. Try this today and watch her reaction change. If this changed how you look at psychology and attraction, hit that subscribe button. Never stop questioning your mindset and always think again.